I just hopped on here to say I was so excited to have this for breakfast, and it is so good. Like, if I were to, all I did was put almond milk in with my LadyBoss LEAN protein shake, and this stuff is really good, and it's like really smooth. Like, this is the first ever protein shake that I've ever tasted for the first time and wasn't like, oh, I gotta get used to it. No, this is amazing. This is amazing. Whenever she comes out with the for the rest of everyone, you need to get it. I'm blown how good this is. Like, I like, wow.